Hello everyone, welcome to Programming Cradle. Do you feel like comment section of Applied AI course is really daunting? If that is the case, you are not alone. Even I felt like that in the beginning, and when I watched all the videos, I realized that what I was missing. So that's exactly what I'll be discussing in this video, and I'm sure this video will help you. So with that being said, let's start our video. But as always, before moving further, if you are new here or if you want to subscribe to the channel, please go subscribe to the channel and be a part of Programming Cradle family, and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified each time when a video goes live. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It keeps me motivated to make such videos for you guys. And if you have anything specific, you can always ask me in the comment section. I will be more than happy to help you, and I try to explain my answer to the best of my knowledge so that you can know what is my thinking process. And if you are agree with that, you can take that opinion, and if you don't agree, you can always post your opinions, and it will probably help other people as well. So yeah, with that being said, let's start our discussion. So the thing with comment section is most of the people post their comments based on future videos. So maybe you wouldn't have seen those videos and you are going through the comment section, and those things would look like an alien to you. So there's nothing to worry about it, because when I was in my initial stage of the course, I used to go through comment section and I used to find like I have never heard about this term, what is this, and this hasn't been covered in the course videos. So I used to go on Google and I used to search about it. I used to read a lot of blogs, and then I used to understand, okay, that is the thing. And when I used to come back and watch the future lectures, I used to realize that okay, this has been covered in the future lecture. It happened multiple times with me, because first few times I felt like okay, it might be coincidence that they have explained this in the future videos. So I was like, okay, this thing I am not understanding, so I'll go to Google and I will search about it and I will learn there. So I did for multiple times, and after that I saw a pattern. It was like people have seen future videos, and mostly the topics were related to each other. So they have come back to this video and probably they watched this video again, and then they have posted the comment in this video. So when you will watch future videos, your doubts will clear. You will learn about all those concepts. So what I would suggest you is try to watch all the videos of a particular concept or of a particular chapter, I should say. So when you will watch all the lecture videos, you will know what people were talking about in that in their particular comment. And I wish they had an option of saving comments so that you can always go back and see those comments. So they don't have that. I will suggest this to Applied AI team, and they actually listen to their students, and if possible they add those features to their portal as well. So that's a good thing. So I will try to reach out to Applied AI course, and hopefully they will add this in the future. So for now, what you can do is, if you are making notes, what you can do is you can write the title of the video, and you can mention some of the keywords from that comment. So right now they have a search feature in their comment section, so you can search for those keywords, and all the comments which are having those keywords will list in front of you. So yeah, that you can do. And if you are not making notes, what you can do is download some notepad on your phone like Evernote or Google Notes, and you can write the title and you can write those keywords onto that. And whenever you finish all the lectures from a particular chapter, you can come back to each video and search for those keywords and see those comments, and you can see that most probably you will be able to understand all the comments. And if still you are not able to understand, you can go to Google and search about it again. And the thing about Applied AI course is you have to do a lot of googling. So if you are scared of googling, and if you think like you will get everything from in the course, that is not the case. You will have to do a lot of your own research. Even if you are working with assignments, you will have to do a lot of googling. And of course, if you get stuck and if you are not finding any solution, you can always reach out to Applied AI team. They will help you. But I think this is the good thing, because when you will go to industry and when you work on some projects, you will have to do a lot of work on your own. You cannot always reach out to manager or your senior colleague and ask them, I'm stuck in this code, can you please help me? You cannot do that. You have to search it on Google, and then you have to find all the solution on your own. So that is the thing, and that's a good thing. And you can take it as con. I mean, it totally depends on mindset. I personally take it as a pro, because when I was in my college during our first second year, teacher used to give us code beforehand, and people used to simply remember all those things without understanding the logic. And in lab they used to simply write the code, hit enter, and they got output without knowing the logic and all those things. So it seemed like easy thing, they're getting marks, everything, but they didn't actually understand those concepts. So when placement time came, most of the people were finding it hard to get placed, because when interviewers were asking them to write code, they were not able to build the logic and all those things. So giving everything in plate, it's not a good thing actually. So they are teaching you all the core concepts which is needed, but in terms of implementation part or some additional part, you have to do those things on your own. So, and they also provide all the paper or blogs which they are referring to, so that you can do further reading or videos. Even they suggest some videos as well, so you can watch those videos and you can read all the paper or all the blogs, and you will be able to understand those concepts properly. So yes, you will have to do some of your own work as well. And yeah, that is the thing. So if you are finding comment section to be really scary, don't worry about it. In the initial few days you will find like that, but when you will move further, you will watch all the videos, you will feel like you have learned almost everything, and still there are some keywords which you are not able to understand what are they, and you haven't heard about it. You can always Google it, and there are multiple blogs on everything, and if you read them, 1 or 2 blog at max, you will be able to understand all the concepts, and that won't be scary to you. So yeah, that's the thing what I wanted to clear in this video, because even I found that to be really disturbing, because when I used to go through the comment section, I was like, oh my god, these people are so advanced and these people know so many things, and probably I won't be able to learn things, and this course is maybe too high for me. I felt like that, even I felt like that. So there's nothing like that. If you are a complete beginner, if you are at ground zero, there's nothing to worry about. Things are covered in the video. It's just people have watched everything, and maybe they were watching videos again and they got doubt because of some future video, so they have posted those comments in the previous videos. So yeah, you don't have to worry about that. So yeah, that's all what I wanted to discuss in this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to download data science notes, you can download the data science notes. The link is in the description, and probably it will help you to fast pace your learning. So yeah, that is the thing. What else? You can always join our Telegram group. There we have so many people helping people. They are helping each other, so that is again a good thing and a very good community there. And see you in the next video. Bye, happy learning, and please don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment, all those good things. So yeah, happy learning. Bye.